Peace be upon you, dear students. Today we're starting a new grammar rule, which is past simple, negative, and interrogative. And we're directly starting with Explore Task 1. Here you need to complete the dialogue with the words in the box. Then, listen and check your answer. So here you have 6 words: Africa, acts, documentaries, London, photo, speech. In this photo you have a music concert, and we will have a dialogue regarding to this picture between Helen and Susie. And you need to put these words in the correct place. So listen carefully.
Unit 7, page 63. Grammar. Explore. Exercise 1. Listen and check.
This is a good photo. Where did you take it?
I didn't take it. My friend Molly took it at the Live 9 event in London.
Live 9?
It was a charity event for Africa. I didn't go, but I watched it on TV. It was amazing. Did you see it?
No, I didn't. Did a lot of acts perform?
Yes, they did. In between the music, there were documentaries about Africa. And Bill Gates was there too.
Really? Can he sing? I didn't know that.
He didn't sing. He made a speech about Africa. Yes, they did. In between the music, there were documentaries about Africa. And Bill Gates was there too.
Really? Can he sing? I didn't know that.
He didn't sing. He made a speech about Africa.
Now I want you to check your answers, and this is the correct order of the answers. So the first one is photo, the second one is London, the third one is Africa, the fourth one is act, the fifth one is documentaries, the sixth one is speech. Check your answers and write it. Now let's move to task number 2, and here you have a table. So look at the table below, then find more examples of past simple, negative, and interrogative in the dialogue. So we're going to read the dialogue for one more time, the dialogue between Helen and Susie, and we need to find more example of past simple, negative, and interrogative. So look at this table carefully. The first one here is negative. And this is the way we form the past simple in its negative form. We will start with the person, which is he, she, it, they, we, everything, because this rule actually works with both plural and singular forms. So followed by didn't, and then the verb, which is sing. He didn't sing. Sing, I want you to focus on this because the verb is written in its base form, sing. The second one is interrogative, and here it starts with where. Here it starts with where, and you do this to ask about it. You do this when you want to ask about information. So you start with a WH question, where, when, what, followed by did you, and then the verb is in its base form as well. And the last one is interrogative in short answers. Did you see it? I want you to notice that the verb here is also in its base form. This is the rule. The verb must be in its base form. And the answer is going to be yes, I did in the positive form, and no, I didn't in the negative form. So this is the meaning of short answers. And that's it for task number 2. So we're done explaining what's in task number 2, but we didn't solve it yet. So here you have the answers of this task, and the first one, it includes the sentences of the negative form. So I didn't take it. It's all in the dialogue. We just need to take them out of the dialogue. I didn't know, I didn't sing. And then the interrogative is only one example, which is where did you take it? The third one and the last one is interrogative in short answers, and here you have did you see it? Short answers, as I told you, it's either B, no I didn't, or yes I did. So did you see it? No I didn't. And then did a lot of acts perform? Yes they did. So the rule is quite easy. So when you want to form the negative of past simple, you use didn't with the base form of the verb. And when you want to form an interrogative with of the past simple, you need to put did with the persons, which is he, she, it, you, we, they, etc., with the base form of the verb. Moving to task number 3, you have learned this box. And what we just said is the answer of this rule. So you need to complete the rule, and I want you to think about it, write the correct answer, and we will check the answers together. So let's read the questions together. We form the negative of the past simple with dash plus the base form. I want you to look at task number 2 in Explore section and read the first sentence you have in the table, the orange one, in the negative, which is he didn't sing. So this is what we need here. If we want to form the negative of the past simple, we use didn't plus the base form. So didn't with sing, which is the base form of the verb. This is the way to form the negative of the past simple. The second one, we form the interrogative of the past simple with dash plus persons. Persons means he, she, it, they, you, all of them, the singular and the plural ones, plus the base form. So the answer is going to be did. Check your answers. The first one is didn't plus the base form, and the second one is did plus the persons, and then followed by the base form. Now we're moving to the exploit, task number 1, and here you need to write the questions and short answers for them. Okay, we're going to start with the first one, regarding to the activity number 1 in Explore. So you have the first sentence here. It includes Susie take the photo, and you need to form a question that includes a short answer. So did Susie take the photo? No, she didn't. The second one is Molly take the photo. So you need to form questions. Think about it. I'm going to give you 2 minutes and we will be back. So here are the answers of Exploit Task 1. I want you to bring your notebooks and write the answers in there. And include the page number, which is 63. Once you finish doing this, I want you to read task number 2 and try to do it. It's quite easy. What you need to do here is we have sentences and we need to form questions. No, we have sentences, and what we need to do here is to make these sentences negative. Okay, so for example, the first one is done for you. I watched Live 9 on television, so you need to add I didn't watch Live 9 on television, okay? I want you to focus and notice that the verb, which is watched, it's a regular verb, it ends with ed. So when we want to write the negative form, we change this verb to the base form, which is watch, without any changes. So didn't plus the base form. It's going to be the same thing for the rest of the sentences. We went on holiday last year. It's going to be we didn't go on holiday last year. Why go? Because go is an irregular verb, so we change it all. Didn't plus the base form, and the same thing is going to be for the rest. Try to do it yourself, and then we will check the answers together. So before moving to the answers, I want you to have a look on these sentences. And here you have the verbs with the red color. Notice that all of these verbs are written in the past form. So after writing the sentences with didn't, it's going to be followed by the verb in its base form. Now we will move to the answers. Write the answers on your notebook. And compare it to your own answers. The first one is, I didn't watch Live 9 on television. The second one, we didn't go to holiday last year. Number 3, it didn't rain last weekend. Number 4, I didn't have breakfast this morning. Number 5, my sister didn't break my mobile phone. And number 6, England didn't win the World Cup in 2006. These are the correct answers of Exploit Task 2. So this task is quite easy and fun because you have a list of 8 different activities and you need to put a tick on the type of activities that you did last weekend. So for example, go shopping, tidy your bedroom, go to the cinema, have a bad dream, eat in a restaurant, music, meet your friends. So you need to answer this according to your own timetable, to your own schedule. After doing this, we will move to task number 4, which is related to task number 3. But here you need to ask a partner. Your partner can be your friend, your dad or mom, siblings, anybody. And you're going to ask the questions like in the bubble. So, did you go shopping? If not, in the negative form, it's going to be no, I didn't. And if yes, it's going to be yes, I did. So, moving to the second one, which is moving to your homework. It's going to be page 56 of your workbook. Try to do it. Try to send me the correct answers. And see you later, inshallah, with another lesson.